this top grading interview, the chronological, in-depth, and structured interview, gives you the opportunity to get to the real story, on the resume or the CV, and see if that, what we would call job hopping, is in fact job hopping, or if there's some other more positive
or something else. Yeah, exactly. And when it happens 14 times, I'm skeptical. Yep. But we don't know. We wouldn't make a decision based on it. We would find out. Yeah, it is fascinating. The other thing I will say on this about that interview I love, and that's why I really push hard with our clients to use it. And for this, you do some of them, and Kristen does a lot of them too, and is figuring out if they're going to fit the culture. Because, for example, with CFOs in particular, many of them are brilliant minds, but not brilliant leaders. And in many of our clients, they need that CFO for both. They need to be the brilliant thought partner for the CEO, and in some cases for the board or the private equity firm. But then they also need to lead an amazing team and help to, and we've had so many of them that their skill set is off the charts. They meet all of that. But in terms of leading and building a team, they have, they would be a 3 out of 10. And that's, that kind of stuff you get to see. So it's eyes wide open.